everybody, here with another unboxing about something that I do not know how to use, but I'm going to start because of course fighting games. Anyways, let's just get into it. It's kind of heavy. Let's see here. Okay. Let's do it the other way around. Wow. So this is supposed to be a modern arcade stick, at least the latest. It's here. So the instructions, that over there. Spring the arcade. Right. And here we have it. So it's supposed to be working with PlayStation, Xbox, and the Switch, and also for PC. So this is a universal fighting joystick. So hopefully it works on my PlayStation 5 though. That's one of my main concerns. I don't have other concerns about the PlayStation 5. So this off. It really looks nice. Alright. Okay, man, it feels so freaking good. It's not clicky as it's good. So let's see. Alright. Cables here. Okay. Alright, what are these? I'll look into that. Oh, these are for, guess, for down there? I don't know. Maybe. I'm new at this, so let's see how this actually goes with against my friends and all that. Getting serious this time, huh? Hope I don't smash a lot. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the Mayflash arcade stick F300. So yes, I hope this is for the better. I don't think so because I've been with the controller for basically all my life, but trying new challenges is one of my things that I really love. So here's a new challenge, and yeah. Alright guys, hope you like this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. This has been Punky, and I'll see you guys later.